In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Word document to OneDrive. By the end, your document will be safely stored in the cloud, easy to access from any device, and protected if something happens to your computer. First, open Microsoft Word. If you already have Word running, that's perfect. If not, launch it from your desktop, Start menu, or Applications folder. This process works whether you're using the desktop version of Word on Windows or Mac. Next, either open a recent file or create a new one. On the home screen, you'll see a list of recent documents. Click the one you want to back up. If you're starting fresh, choose a blank document or a template and add your content. It's totally fine if the document is still a work in progress. Now, look to the upper left corner of Word for the File tab. It sits on the ribbon and opens the Backstage view where you manage saving, printing, and document info. Go ahead and click File. Inside the File menu, select Save As. This is important because Save As lets you choose where the document will live. Using Save As ensures you can point the file to OneDrive instead of just saving it locally on your computer. When the Save As options appear, click OneDrive. Depending on your setup, you may see entries like OneDrive, Personal, or OneDrive associated with your work or school. Choose the OneDrive option that matches where you want your documents stored. If prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft account so Word can connect to your cloud storage. You might see OneDrive listed more than once or be shown suggested OneDrive locations. Click OneDrive again to confirm that this is the place you want to save. The key is to make sure OneDrive is clearly selected as the save location. Now enter a clear file name in the name field. Make it descriptive so you can find it easily later. Adding a date or brief topic can help, especially if you keep multiple versions. Finally, click Save. Word will upload the file to OneDrive and store it securely in the cloud. After saving, you'll typically see the location near the title bar indicating it's in OneDrive. As a helpful tip, you can enable autosave at the top of Word so changes sync automatically as you work. That way, every edit is backed up without you having to think about it. And that's it. You opened Word, chose your document, went to File, picked Save As, selected OneDrive, named your file, and saved. Your document is now backed up to OneDrive and ready wherever you need it.